everyone. Now I am going to start question number 7 of exercise 2.2. Now in this question we have find half of 2 3 by 4 and half of 4 2 by 9. Now both the fraction we will have to multiply by half. As of is there, of means multiplication. So half of, this is number 1, okay, half of 2 3 by 4. Now half into this we will have to convert it into improper fraction. So 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11 by 4. Okay, now we will have to check, can we reduce the fraction into lowest form? So here this and this we cannot cancel by only any single digit. So we will have to just multiply the numerator. So 11 multiplied by 1 is 11 and 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Now we have got an improper fraction, so convert it into mix. So 8 1s are 8, it's 3. So quotient, write quotient at first, then remainder up and divisor down. So the answer of the first part is 1 3 by 8. Now coming to the second part, again we will have to find 1 by 2 of 4 2 by 9. Okay, so 1 by 2 of 4 2 by 9. So here we will have to multiply again with half. So here this into this plus this, so 4 9s are 36, 36 plus 2 is 38 by 9. Now see, it is this 38 here in the unit place we have even number, so that means it can be divisible by 2. So we will divide this 2 by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, and here if you divide by 2 then we will get 19. Okay, so if you multiply 19 by 1 we'll get 19, and 9 by 1 is 9. So this is an improper fraction, so we will have to convert it into mixed. So 9 2s are 18. Now 9 minus 8 is 1. So answer will be 2 1 by 9. Okay. Now in the B part we have 5 by 8 of 3 5 by 6 and 5 by 8 of 9 2 by 3. So at first we will find 5 by 8 of 3 5 by 6. Now of means into, so 5 by 8 multiplied by, here we will have to convert it into improper. So 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 5 is 23 by 6. Okay, now see here we cannot cut these two number. So and here these and this number we cannot cut, as these numbers cannot be divided by one single digit. So what we have to do, we will just multiply the numerator. So 23 multiplied by 5 is 3 5s are 15, 5 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11. So we are getting 115 by 8 multiplied by 6 is 48. Okay, now this is an improper fraction, so we will have to convert it into mixed. So let's check here. If I take 4 2s are 8, now suppose taking 2 at first, 8 2s are 16, 6 1 carry, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. Okay, now checking by 3, 48 multiplied by 3 is 3 8s are 24, 4 2 carry, so 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2 14. 144 is greater than 115, so what will you do? You will have to take this, right? 48 multiplied by 2 is 96. Now 6 to 15 is 9, so 1 will be 0, it will be 19. So answer will be 219 by 48. Now the second part of this is 5 by 8 of 9 2 by 3. Now 5 by 8 will be multiplied by this into this plus this, so 3 9s are 27, 27 plus 2 is 29 by 3. Now again these and these we cannot cancel it, so we will have to multiply. So 29 multiplied by 5, here we will multiply the numerator. So 29 multiplied by 5 is 5 9s are 45, 5 4 carry, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 4 14. So 145 divided by 8 3s are 24. Okay, now this is an improper fraction. Okay, we will have to convert it into mixed. So again 24 2s are 48, 24 3s are 72, then 24 4s are 96, taking 7. Okay, what will be here? 7 4s are 28, 2 carry, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 2 16. So this is more than 145, so we will have to take 6 here. 6 4s are 24, 4 2 carry, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 2 144. So we can take 6. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So answer will be 6, 1 by 24. Okay. So this was the last part of number 7. Thank you, students. Now coming to question number 8. Question number 8 says that Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of the water. That means 5 liters is the total quantity of water. Okay, Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of water. 2 by 5 of water means 2 by 5 of the total quantity of water Vidya consumed. Okay, and the remaining one was consumed by Pratap. We will have to find how much water did Vidya drink. Now suppose if the total quantity of water is 6 liter and out of 6 liters suppose Vidya drank 2 liter. So what is left out? 4 liter. This 4 liter was consumed by Pratap. So here we will have to write here total quantity of water. This is part 1. Total quantity of water is 5 liter. Vidya consumed, see, 2 by 5 of water. Okay, 2 by 5 of water means 2 by 5 of the total quantity of water. So 2 by 5 of total quantity of water was 5 liters. So 2 by 5 of 5, which is 2 by 5 multiplied by 5. So if you cancel 5, we will get 2 liter. So Vidya consumed 2 liter. So this is the answer of the first part, that how much water did Vidya drink. So Vidya drank 2 liter. Now in the second part we have what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink. Here it is not asked that how much quantity of water did Pratap drink. Here it is asked that what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink. So at first we will have to find that how much water Pratap drank. Okay, so here Pratap consumed. So how to find this? From the total quantity, if you subtract the quantity of water Vidya consumed, then we will get the quantity of water Pratap consumed. Okay, so here total quantity was 5 liter. And out of 5 liter, if you subtract 2 liter, which is consumed by Vidya, so if you subtract this, then you will get the amount of water Pratap consumed. So it's 3 liter. Now but here in the question, quantity is not asked, that how much quantity of water Pratap consumed. That is not asked. Here it is asked that what fraction. Fraction means from the total quantity. See, if the total quantity is 5 liter and out of 5 liter, how much Pratap consumed is 3 liter. So the fraction will be 3 by 5. Fraction means a part, means out of total quantity, how much portion Pratap consumed. So answer will be 3 by 5, not 3 liters. So we will have to write. Therefore, the fraction of water Pratap consumed, how much? What would be the fraction here? Total quantity is 5 and out of 5 liter he consumed 3 liters. So fraction will be 3 by 5. So this will be the answer of the second part. So this was all about question number 8. Thank you, students.